There's a $4 oil Japanese women have pressed into their skin every single night for over 1,000 years. Not a serum, not a luxury facial oil with a French name and a $90 dropper. A single plant oil pressed from a flower, the kind geisha used, the kind samurai wives used, the kind women in Kyoto are still using tonight. And it's a big part of why so many Japanese women reach 60 with skin that looks decades younger than the calendar says it should. I went looking for the secret everyone assumes is genetic, and what I found instead was a routine. A set of cheap, deliberate habits the Western beauty industry has spent 40 years convincing you to replace with a shelf of bottles that cost more and do less. If you're tired of being sold the expensive version of something that was always simple, subscribe to the Powder Room. That's the whole point of this channel. First, let's kill the lie you've been told, that it's just genetics, that Japanese women simply have good skin, some inherited gift you weren't born with, so there's no point even trying. That story is convenient for everyone selling you something, because if it's genetic, then nothing you do matters and you might as well keep buying. But the research says the opposite. When scientists study why some populations show dramatically less visible aging at the same age, the answer is almost never genes, it's behavior. It's what people do to their skin every day for 50 years. And the single biggest factor, by an enormous margin, is the sun. Here's the number that reframes everything. Up to 90% of visible facial aging, the lines, the spots, the rough texture, the sagging, comes not from age, but from ultraviolet light. 90%. Now think about the culture this oil comes from. In Japan, sun protection isn't a beach day afterthought. It's a daily, lifelong habit. The parasol on a sunny street, the wide hat, the long gloves in summer, the sunscreen worn indoors, in the car, on a cloudy Tuesday, walking on the shaded side of the road. While Western women of the same generation were lying out on foil chasing a tan and frying the collagen out of their faces, an entire culture was quietly doing the one thing that prevents most of aging. That alone buys a decade. And then, on top of that, comes the oil. The oil is camellia oil, tsubaki, pressed from the seeds of the camellia flower, and it's been a Japanese beauty staple for more than 1,000 years. The women of the imperial court used it on their skin and hair. Geisha used it to remove heavy makeup without stripping the skin underneath. This isn't a trend somebody invented for an ad campaign. It's 1,000 years of a culture watching what worked and never letting go. The knowledge was never lost. It was just never sold to you, because there's no luxury markup on a flower that grows on a hillside. Here's why it works, and once you understand the chemistry, you'll never look at your $90 night cream the same way. Camellia oil is extraordinarily high in oleic acid, the same fatty acid that dominates your own skin's natural oil. Because it's so close to what your skin already makes, it absorbs cleanly, sinks in without sitting greasy on top, and reinforces the barrier instead of fighting it. And a weak barrier is the whole problem with aging skin. After 40, your skin makes less of its own oil. The barrier thins, and moisture escapes faster than your skin can hold it. Every time that water leaves, fine lines deepen and the texture goes crepey. Camellia oil does two things at once. It refills the lipids your skin has stopped making, and it forms a light seal that slows that water from evaporating all night. You wake up plumped, soft, and smooth. Over 30 years, that daily difference is the difference between a 60-year-old face and a 75-year-old one. But the oil is only part of it. The real secret is the ritual around it, and there are 3 steps. Step 1 is the cleanse, and this is where Western and Japanese routines split completely. Most women in the West wash with a foaming cleanser that squeaks, and that squeak is the sound of your barrier being stripped. Japanese women cleanse with oil. You massage a small amount into dry skin. It dissolves makeup, sunscreen, and the day's grime, and you wipe it away with a warm cloth. The skin is left clean but never stripped, never tight, never raw. The same oil that protects also cleanses. 1 bottle, 2 jobs. Step 2 is hydration, before the seal. After cleansing, you layer a watery hydrating lotion, a humectant. onto damp skin, pressed in with the palms, sometimes with a soaked cotton mask, laid over the face for a few minutes. This is the water you're about to lock in. A few cents of glycerin or a simple hydrating toner does exactly what the $60 essence does, because the $60 essence is mostly water and glycerin with a story attached. Press it in while the skin is still slightly damp. Step 3 is the seal. A few drops of the camellia oil warmed between the palms, pressed gently upward and outward across the face, and all the way down the neck. Not rubbed hard, pressed. And here's the detail almost everyone in the West forgets, and Japanese women never do. The neck and the backs of the hands get the same treatment as the face, every night. Those two zones age faster than anything, and give your age away more than your face does, and they're exactly the two zones Western routines ignore. The humectant pulls water in, the oil locks it there, and you get 8 uninterrupted hours of hydrated, repairing skin. That's the whole engine. Add it up, a few cents of humectant, a $4 bottle of oil that lasts most of a year, and a daily habit of staying out of the sun, against the $400 of serums and eye creams and barrier complexes under most Western sinks, mostly failing to do what this 1,000-year-old routine does for the price of a coffee. Let me tell you about a woman I keep thinking about. I was asking shopkeepers, almost as a joke, what their secret was, expecting someone to point me to a product. One of them pointed me down the street to a woman who ran a small tea house. She was 68. When she came out, I genuinely thought she was in her late 40s. Smooth forehead, soft even skin around the eyes, the kind of face that looks simply, quietly protected, because it was. I asked her through a translator what her secret was, and she laughed at me. She said there is no secret. She said she has done the same 3 things every night since she was a young woman. The same things her mother did and her grandmother before that. Cleanse with the oil, press in the water, seal with the oil, and carry the parasol. Then she said the thing I haven't been able to forget. She said the women who chase a new cream every season are the ones whose skin ages fastest, because they're always starting over, always introducing something new, always interrupting the one thing that actually works, which is doing the simple thing the same way for decades. Consistency, she said, is the ingredient. The bottle changes nothing. The years change everything. The industry can sell you a new product every month. It cannot sell you 50 years of pressing the same cheap oil into your skin on the night you're tired and don't feel like it. That's the one thing they could never put in a jar, and it's the only thing that has ever actually worked. So here's your full routine, so you have it. At night, cleanse by massaging a little camellia oil into dry skin and wiping it away with a warm cloth. No stripping, no squeak. Press a hydrating layer into damp skin. Then warm a few drops of the oil between your palms and press it gently upward across your face, your neck, and the backs of your hands. In the morning, sun protection, every single day, no exceptions, the most powerful anti-aging step there is, and the thing that prevents most of what you're trying to fix. 3 steps at night, 1 in the morning. $4 or $5 for the oil and pennies a night to use it. Let me be honest with you, because you won't get this from anyone selling you a jar. I'm not a dermatologist, and I'm not telling you Japanese women have magic skin you can't have. They don't. What they have is a set of habits. Sun protection above all, gentle cleansing, a light barrier-friendly oil, and the discipline to do it for 50 years without chasing the next miracle. Camellia oil suits most skin beautifully because it's so close to your own, but if your skin is very acne-prone, any facial oil can be a problem. So patch test first and keep it to the dry zones. If you have a skin condition, or you're on a prescription, a real dermatologist beats any video, this one included. You did not fail at skincare. You weren't foolish or vain for spending money trying to take care of yourself. That instinct was right. You were just handed an incomplete picture, on purpose, by an industry that profits from everything you were never told. Japanese women didn't win a genetic lottery you lost. They were handed the full picture by their mothers and grandmothers, generation after generation, and now you have it too. Tell me in the comments the most expensive anti-aging product you've ever bought. and whether it actually worked, because I read every one. Subscribe to the Powder Room, and next time I'm showing you the single kitchen ingredient that fades dark spots and sun damage faster than the $200 brightening serums built around the exact same active. They sell you the glow. I'll show you where it actually comes from.